Hello aspirants, you're hearing to the aspirant voice. In this video, we're going to discuss about the usually colder and wetter winter which is recently India experiencing, especially in the north regions of the India. So now let's understand this topic in the geography perspective and importance about it. Before getting into topic, please do like, share, and also subscribe, and share it to your friends who are preparing for UPSC examination. So now let's get into the topic. So the context is that winter of 2021-22 was unusually cold and long in India, and particularly in the north there has been a noticeable difference in the temperature, with the days in particular being noticeably cooler. So why it is colder? Because temperature in north, northwest and central regions of India have been consistently below normal since December 2021. The term cold day has a broader meaning in the scientific community. Temperatures in the northern plains of India typically fall below 16 degrees Celsius during the winter months, making it a cold day. And of course, it is wetter too, because during the winter, neighboring regions of the North India also experience light to moderate rainfall. Rain has been widespread across central, northern, eastern, and northeastern India in the month of January this year, that is in the year 2022. And this month, rainfall, that is January of 2022, the rainfall is total in up to 24 states and US territories, range from above average to far above average. And of course, in India, it is very less fog than normal. Usually, it used to be in the winters. North India experiences thick fog in the months of December and January usually, but the fog blanket the nation's capital for 252 hours in January 2022 compared to the 292 hours in 2021. So officials from the Indian Meteorological Department says Delhi has seen the lowest number of fog hours since 1991-92. Now let's discuss the causes. The first one, western disturbance, La Nina, cold winds from far north and low-lying clouds and moisture. It is estimated that the 7 strong western disturbances will pass over India before the year 2022, and these disturbances will bring rain, snow, high winds over large parts of northeastern India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. The hailstorms in the northern Maharashtra and heavy rainfalls in Tamil Nadu were caused by these systems. The La Nina factor is that La Nina is linked to more frequent and more severe western disturbances. Currently, the equatorial Pacific Ocean experiencing moderate La Nina conditions, which are characterized by lower than normal sea surface temperatures. In the wake of western disturbance, that is cold winds from far north, in the wake of western disturbance, cold winds blowing from the far north of India, which reaching as far as south as Telangana and Maharashtra, causing colder weather and on occasion even cold waves in southern India too. Finally, the low-lying clouds and moistures. In the Indo-Gangetic plain, the presence of low-lying clouds and the availability of the moisture favored cold day conditions and additional chill factor that was felt during the daytime hours. This was the season's longest and most intense stretch so far. So, here let's understand some key concepts on western disturbance and La Nina. Anyways, as many of you may not aware, I'm going to start a complete UPSC course in future, just looking for a number of students to be joined in my UPSC live classroom, and of course the subscribers in the YouTube channel, for the YouTube channel. So I'm just looking for the numbers, but I'm going to start complete UPSC course digitally to be available. There we can discuss in depth of these concepts, that is western disturbance and La Nina. For now, let's understand basic things that in northwest India, here the northwest India, the western disturbance, an extra tropical storm that originates in the Mediterranean region and brings sudden showers to India in this direction. So the disturbance is moving eastward from the western side of the globe, and westerly jet streams, vast swaths of fast wind that crisscross the globe, from west to east carry these objects eastwards, and there is disturbed or low air pressure in the area of disturbance, and the air in the region attempts to normalize its pressure because of the equilibrium that exists in the nature. And an extratropical storm is characterized by the low pressure. The term extratropical denotes a location outside the tropical zone, and the WD, that is western disturbances, has been labeled as extratropical because they of their origin outside of the tropical region. Now let's discuss the La Nina. So La Nina, let me tell you before, La Nina and El Nino, these two are very vast and very important topics. Uh, I will explain them when I start the course. When I start the course, so till then, just try to understand these basics, that temperatures in the East Central Equatorial Pacific are lower than normal during La Nina events. That is, at this point of La Nina, the temperature here is colder than the normal times, and for at least 5 successive 3 months seasons, the sea surface temperature dropped by more than 0.9 degree Fahrenheit. A strong high pressure system over the eastern equatorial Pacific is indicative of a La Nina event, which occurs when the water temperature in the eastern Pacific drops below normal here in this region. And winter in India tend to be cooler and wetter due to the La Nina phenomenon. So here actually, to understand the last point, you must be aware of Indian Ocean Dipole 2, which is another concept in geography, which will be explained in my course. Till then, this is the basics that I have given. Just the people who know it, please try to understand them. Thank you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.